Hey yo, another dev update. Yesterday I lost a ton of time to get LFS, large file store. I work between my desktop and my laptop, and basically at some point in the past I had issues with GitHub limits. I didn't want to pay for a higher limit, and I had this one file. Incorrectly, I had some APK files in the thing, and there was one binary data file I had in there as well. Anyway, I tried to do Git filter repo. Anyone who fuck around with Git knows, basically, I just lost like an afternoon to fucking with Git. And being very, very careful not to delete the entire history and have backups and, be very, very cautious. So there's that. Also, I do need to just set up the build servers because I am losing a ton of time to build server setup, or rather builds. So I need to set up the build server to streamline that process. Otherwise, marching on. I've got to check, now that I'm back in sort of game mode, not deep services mode, I've got to just check that the leaderboards are correctly hooked up with the new logic. The name stuff's working. I've got to hook up the avatar generator stuff. I'm still in two minds about the avatar generator stuff. Basically, the problem stems from the Epic Steam meta issue in that I can't, without standing up infra, sort of reliably deliver profile pictures cross-platform, because, or at least not at scale. There's a problem when I've initially started to use Epic Online services. I thought it would be more similar to Steam or to PlayStation or to other versions of the service, but there's certain details about it that basically mean it's hard for player storage to be shared even in a read-only fashion with other players. So sharing certain data about a player to another player would require third-party infra. I am registered as a data controller under like UK data protection laws, but it's a whole mess. Hence, generated name and avatar. Quite like the solution I came up with that. Maybe I'll talk about it another time. Cheers.